Welcome to TradingView YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to watch how to use short and long position tool from TradingView. So if you open any chart of TradingView, here in this menu, you will get this long position and the short position tool. So in this long position tool, it will be useful if you are in the buy trade, and this short position is helpful if you are in the short trade. So suppose you want to take entry at certain level. Let's say you want to take entry at this level and you are keeping the stop loss here, but you want to have the trade with 1:2 risk reward. So here we can see this is almost like a 200 point is your stop loss. So 1:2 means at least your target should be 400 point from here. So we can see 400 point is somewhere here, 35,600. So this is your target. Instead of doing this, this will help you if you go here and click on the long position. So you have to click first on your entry price, and manually you can adjust, and the red one is that position which will go in the downside. So here is your stop loss, and from this mid range above you are in the profit, and from mid range below this you are in the loss. So instead of doing this manually, let's say we are doing, if you open like if you click here and use this setting, you can also open the settings, or if you just double click on this, you can also open the setting. So let's say this is showing you the entry price. So we are entering 35,200 as your entry. So profit level is like where you can book. So 35,600 is your booking, and 35,000 is your stop loss. So this will give you the risk reward ratio of 2. So this is how you use this long position. Now let's talk about the short position. Let's say you want to take the short below this. This will be your stop loss, and let's say you want to have the 1:2 risk reward again. So here, instead of going long, we will use short. It is having the same properties, but it is reversed. So in long position, the above region was looking green, and in the short position, the above region is red and below region is green. So it means you are in the short position. So if price is going up, so you are going into the loss, but you will only get profitable if price is going down. So this is that indication of this green and red. So let's say, so your entry is 35,000. So you have to take at least 400 point. So 34,600 and 35,200 is your stop loss. So here you will get the risk reward of 2, and you can also adjust it as you want with your trade setup. Like if you want to go with the 1:2.5, so you can just adjust a bit, and if you don't get the proper figure, then you can adjust here, like then I will put 35,500. Then you will have the proper 1:2.5 risk reward ratio. So this is how simple you use this long position and short position. Let me give you one example with the real let's say I will just cut this price. So let's say you are watching the chart on the 5-minute time frame, and you want to take the entry if it is breaking the high of this candle. So high of this candle is almost 34,898. So you want, let me put the perfect coordinate. So 34,900 is your round figure. So you want the price, you want the trade, the buy trade, once the price goes above it. So let's see if it is giving the breakout of this. So here you want to take the trade as price is going up. So you are entering on the live candle. Let's say you want to enter here itself. You entered it, and you want to keep the stop loss over here. So the low, a bit low. So the low of this candle is 34,844. So we will keep 34,840 as our round figure, and 1:2. So we have to add the figure, like you are entering at 34,900. Let's say 35,040 is your target, and 34,840 is your stop loss. So here you will get 1:2.3 risk reward ratio for your trade. So you are planning with this much of risk reward capacity, that you are willing to take the stop loss at this level, and you are willing to take profit at this level. So let's see if you are getting the profit or stop loss. So here your stop loss already triggered. So now you want to go into the short trade. So you are again waiting. If the price is again coming up, then you will go into the buy trade. So you are again waiting. So price just came above, you are again entering into the long. So keeping the same, keeping the stop loss slightly below the low of this candle. So low of this candle is 34,837. So let's say you are keeping the stop level 34,830. Instead of 840, you are keeping the stop loss there, and you are taking the entry at 34,900. So what could be the target if you want to plan 1:2 risk reward? So let me just adjust. So it is coming here 35,040 again. Let's see. So here it is giving you the risk reward of 1:2. Let's see in this trade if you are getting the profit or again you are stopping out. So this candle is giving you the target. This tool is not in the sense to find the target or find the level, but this tool will help you if you are entering in any trade. So this will help you whether the trade that you are taking is as per your risk management, like as per your risk capacity or not. Some trader have 1:2 risk reward as a minimum for a trade. Some might have 1:4, 1:3, some is just 1:1, but never trade where your risk reward is less than 1:1. This is nothing. In this you are willing to take more loss and willing to take only small profit. So always your risk reward should be more than 1. So here you already get your profit. So same you can use it on the short side. So this was very simple. Hope you like it. And if you have any questions, do comment, and don't forget to join my Telegram group and Telegram channel. In Telegram group we are also sharing some ideas, some knowledge, and during the live market we are also sharing some trades. It is free of cost that you can join, and even recommend your friend. All the best.